I'ma pull up with the goons from the news. It's always breaking rules. Man, to stay poppin' like balloons. Smoking on that spinach like cartoons. In the city, live your ghost like we can prove.
I started as a heel producer scammer. You would swear I was a gamer, player slash entertainer. Within the ring, I was trained like a wedding planner. Switch the camera, swear my life's a mission on GTA now. No Monty said, come and believe the gangsters is a dad of my search.
Hola bafethu, this is Big Billy, the biggest Bali in the building, alongside the one and only CJ Makamura. Makamura is up to you, but yeah man. So back again, MSL Podcast Season 2, Episode number 5. This is your host, Big Billy,
the biggest Bali in the building.
Danko. So on our previous episode we had this guy so yeah. So we discussed quite a number of things. He was telling us a bit about his career, etc. He was telling us about creative process, how he goes about things. I also got a chance to ask him about the incident that happened between him and Tina Hlangwana on stage.
On stage,
yeah. He composed a piece of music for us.
So wait, what was his reason?
The reason, yeah.
About the conflict with Tina Hlangwana. How did it transpire?
Tina wanted to change the whole thing. Angazi try in list today of how things go.
In terms of who's performing at a certain time.
Yeah, because he also spoke about DJs and other artists, they bite into another person's slot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, told umuntu originally bekamela adlale about like 20 minutes or so. Yeah, now they want to extend that,
the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So clash and nezinye izinto.
Okay.
Then I also got to ask him about Pro Kids music, of which he gave an honest answer to be sure, because I asked him comparing the two artists from Bashibiza and the comparing the two girls, the one who sang on Bashibiza and the one who sang on the new Dublin remix song, which is yet to be released. So he gave me his opinion. He thinks Kuchile so, but then one of the girls approached him, which is Oprah. Then so, but then talking into Oprah, like she DM'd me on Instagram saying, hey, maybe delete in it. Then I told her, like, I'm a fan of music, irregardless of my opinion, whatever I say, it shouldn't get to other people. Like we could say, saying music it doesn't mean you have to stop or whatever,
because that's your own
then
opinion, right? Exactly.
Yeah, yabona.
Then ngamangala mina text emsebenzini on some why you guys talking about me on your podcast? I'm like
try podcast yene drama watwathi mina ngabe sengimbuza ngase ngisithi if ukuthi afuna ukuthi sikhulume ngawe and stuff wena in the first place, why did you make a song?
Because if you make a song, there is a point whereby we have to also speak with what you think of the song.
Yeah, because in any given project that you put up as an artist, you're going to have audience retention. In the sense that how are the audience engaging with that song? Because the song is not bad.
Let's just say not bad blood, but everyone is entitled to their own opinion.
Because
no one was coming.
Kulabanye abantu ababuya la MSL bafika bakhuluma izinto zabo as far more ngathi humiliating or embarrassing than ukuthi ngithi compare Oprah or refresh the singer or kuchile. I'm not trying maybe ukuthi I even said it good. My opinion is not to downgrade or look down upon someone's talent. So ngazama ukumexplainela mara sakathi ukuthi hey nafuna ukwenza izinto zegospel ini ngaze ngisithi manje wena mawufuna ukwenza izinto zegospel why uhlabela kumapiano sesithi hey izinto za last year what ngasakuzwisisa mina ngavela ngadaya izinto besikunomuntu ongifonela hey savele ngikufonele back ngavela ngaphuma ezintweni
it's not important we did
yeah
say
khona akusonto serious
you're not coming for her or anything like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, and back to today's business.
yeah man.
What's your take on the safety of girls in South Africa now? Because young girls are being raped at schools, some are being raped at home, some are being raped in, I don't know, but
Yeah,
kids are not safe, dog, anymore.
you know, I feel like gender-based violence will always be there, né? So I don't know, like there's other men there who are predators, very young
But
children.
dog, kids, bro, kids.
Yeah, I know it's kids, but
Umuntu lona akazi
there's
next,
other
mfethu.
people who can't control their edges, you know. Kuyabe sokuluma nje vele angazi kuyabe sokusithini khona phana yabo.
Because dog, that's very wrong. Mina, I think ukuthi, to make this simple, ne?
Yeah.
I think ukuthi death penalty should be put for rapists.
But
Because-
then look at it this way. A woman can say when umrepile namuhla. So mele behle bekubulala. What if it's not true? But then at the same time I get indaba yakho there because it is concerning a white male and a black girl. In the sense that the crowd or abantu in South Africa are saying if that guy was a black guy and that girl was a black girl, it would have been a different
It would have
story.
been a different
because a lot of
scenario,
people
yeah.
don't understand why AfriForum is protecting this guy for whatever reasons. I don't know, né? But yeah, it just speaks into the criminal whatever organization, correctional organization facilities
Zanzan,
there's South
Zonalesi,
African. So ukuthi the problems is starting from the hierarchs
Yeah.
coming down to the masses.
Yeah,
Uyangithola?
okay, yeah.
In the sense of ukuthi very corruption iphezulu.
Iphezulu.
Masifika ngapha phansi siwesi.
You see, yes, yeah.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
But then
straight.
I think there is a need for a bigger movement or a bigger march, in the sense that us as individuals, I might not be fully South African or whatever, né? But I would want to see justice
Change,
for
yeah,
Ucwecwe, because
and not just Ucwecwe, but every other kid who's been violated
yeah man.
because unfair to. So imagine the type of trauma umntwana will grow up with from a young age if someone who's 7 or 8 years gets to be violated by an older man. Someone who's capable yokumzala umuntu lo sibala.
Cabanga, but
You know?
mina
So that's why ngisho
engicabangisile into yakhona, because then I read a bit about the story of the mother saying the principal tried to ukuthi amvalavale and stuff, yabo.
ukuthi you shouldn't go public about it.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Apparently it's a thing that happened last year around, I don't know, October, November, but it's a thing that it happened last year.
But at a certain extent, the parent was also wrong, because you can't be silent about this thing, even
Yeah.
though
Go
there
wrong,
were maybe unforeseen circumstances that could have happened.
yeah.
Just like the school losing its reputation, or anyone associated with the school losing their reputation because of one person.
Yeah, man.
So, umama naye was wrong to a certain extent ukuthula ngendaba le for this long.
Yeah.
Because manje-
Ayivele ayisuse last
Ayisuse
year.
sasuka, because manje ne, I don't think ukuthi maybe she had her reasons, but I don't
Yeah.
think there's a valid reason as to why you would not speak up about into engaka, especially concerning your child. So, but I know hopefully they'll come across a conclusion, but I just feel like death penalty should be inflicted again. Even of course kuzoba nama precautions on whether umuntu lona really deserves to die in, but my take is if you are raping kids, you don't deserve to live.
Yeah, man. Because
Then if it's abantu
it's an
abadala,
inhuman
then
act.
if you go abantu abadala, then there can be investigations and shit, yabo?
Yeah.
Or to try and find out what really transpired. But as for umntwana, someone who's actually defenseless, ongakhona ukuzilwela, yabo?
Yeah.
I feel like that should be inflicted, because how many other kids are still going to experience what Ukwekwe has been through?
Yeah.
Or, you know, other kids who've been also through the same situation before Ukwekwe, you know? But I don't know, man.
I mean, I always asked myself, Uguti, why is it the good people in life experience
the worst
shit that happens? Like,
Because-
I don't think that girl, even if singathi ngumntwana osnaxi usile uyaganga and stuff, ne?
But
I don't think
she
she
didn't
deserves
deserve
all of that, you know.
didn't deserve that.
Yeah, man. So I just realized we said episode 5 instead of episode 6. A bit,
Yeah, in sketch.
yeah, man. No, it's just that we skipped a bit, like a week or so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to kickstart today, I would ask you these questions because you were not there the previous.
Episode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how would you tell someone that they don't bat like abagez or yanuga, like in a friendly way?
In a friendly way.
Yeah. Without being like disrespectful to that person, like.
Firstly, I mean, I'll take it upon myself. First things first, to maybe take a little roll on a deodorant,
Yeah.
and then just have a slight conversation. Mganam, but me telling you this is not easier for me.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngikutshele lokho, because I don't know ukuthi after ukutshela uzongibona kanjani, but nganami, these are essential goods.
Yeah, man.
I took it upon myself to buy them for you so that you use them in case maybe.
In the sense of good right, so I think essentials landana, then obviously uzothola ukuthi omunye umuntu akasoze azisebenzise, like uyangithola. So from that point nisukanephi, like uyangithola kumacala somthengeli, alright, amarolon umthengele mebhang 2 the spray, or maybe amthi Colgate nyana amkhuphula nje society, yabona. Ubona hayi amacala akazisebenzisi izinto lezi.
Then at some point I feel like friendship is appeal like that, because hear me out.
Yeah, man.
Angeke ndoda sibe sesithubeni, because first things first, if I notice it as your friend, how many other people
People have
notice it, you know?
noticed it, yeah.
So manje it will be said ukuthi nabangani bakhe bamyeka.
Yeah. So
as if we don't acknowledge umngani wethu.
So
But
the previous podcast that I did with Soweto, I mentioned a story about a girl I used to sit with in class, but the one I'm gonna say today is a bit different. So there's this guy we went to school with. I won't say like his real name, but I'll just say his nickname. Besimbiza Hlokoloza the man. So no bela ma kiss madolo yangithola. So by the time when
bekunele jive
by the time we got like to Form 1 2015 there was like the song like it was like Tops from 2014 yangithola. So that name just stuck with him until school. Yeah, besimbiza Hloko yangithola. So Ubjita, he had a problem of urinating of itself.
Oh, bladder.
Yakuthola Ubjita uyaqhabela almost like every day. Yakuthola. At first it was shocking like ukuthi fesusu form 1
nokuziqhamela
saya form 2 form 3 still the same thing yakuthola. So kwafika istage sokuthi abade scholar azokubuza like because in boarding there was
Kunalaba,
few boarders
and
and there was more day scholars and
Okay.
so day scholars would probably come and so that person who's used to you afika abuze kanti ufethu umjida nathi yachebela yini because us as boarders we had that thing yokuthi as a boarder ngeke uhambe ukhulumele iborder kabe bade esikoleni because then umuntu lo wena uhlala
naye
so
My only role model since puberty. From a young age, what house girls used to do to me. Made you see a bong, I think I was something that he couldn't be. Got me switching women like I'm feeling for the ecstasy. Addicted to the, before I even found my liberty. Tryna break the chains, but these habits got a grip on me. Drowning in my vice while I'm praying for delivery. Got me chasing highs, tryna balance the lows. Drowning in the waves, I let them master the flows. I told myself I'd change and be a better person. Reflecting on just on my action, but still didn't happen. Life a deck of cards, I played my hand, but it was counterfeit. Lost inside the shuffle, now I'm dealing with the consequence. Maybe I show the flows whenever I'm staring at the frame. Tryna picture better days, but then the image never came.
I'ma pull up with the goons from the news. It's always breaking rules. None to stay popping like balloons. Smoking on that
yeah
like a
so
tune.
bengiyexpect sathi ukuthi kazaba like ukuthi ubacala like uwathi ukhavisele le but still abantu bazokutshela ukuthi abheka first ubacala ukuchebo lo yakuthola akukhulumi ngento bebheka izwe last week or ekizwe lead but
semanje
yakuthola ubacala cause mina bekasa cause ngafunda naye form 1 form 2 I changed classes so when someone from another class abuyakubuze nje la yabusuyangeka ama disguise ngithola but manje sithi masimtshela umjida ngithola kube ngathi sumvuzama ukumyangisa and stuff like I don't know if
No, that's
it was
I
a
think-
very serious
I think-
problem or what but
I
then
think
I feel like
it also counts ukuthi umuntu wakhona ne approacha nge-situation enjalo in kuphi environment ukuthi lana nebe nikhona kusuke kunabantu or nobe niyi-2
fethu thina ebhoding yethu bekavunyezwa even ongena e-dining hall with a shoe ene dust there obviously you know ukuthi la Alwyn House they are very strict on dress code on smartness cleanliness because cleanliness is next to godliness yakuthola but then asati okwabona kwabaswati
abaswati
so-
abaswati
abafati so okay how do you think or to what extent do you think that your surroundings influence who you become and I don't know tell a picture about who you are like in just in brief nje
Well, I don't think that's necessarily true because I've learned to accept people for what and who they are. Yeah, but for example, I know PK is my friend, but PK, when it comes to into semali or PK, it's always a struggle.
yeah
Then ngiyabe sengikwazi ukuthi PK when it comes to izinto zemali vele angizinkinga.
yeah
Yabo, so I don't think ukuthi your friends or your surrounding influence who you are because at every point masulalu uyi-1 ebusuku yabo suyi-1 so masuyi-1 unjalo you know ukuthi wena who you are and what are your interests nanani yabo so that's why I say to a certain extent
Yeah, man.
because your own surrounding does influence who you are but not 100% because now nami bengihlale e-Hillbrow but sakabamba inkunzi mina.
no the reason why I'm saying that name is because there's this saying that says birds of the same feathers fly together.
Yeah.
Young so like I've realized a island lapha ne I haven't seen it yet with my own eyes but you know when you put 2 and 2 together you can tell because okay this is what is actually happening and some individuals seem like not to be aware of what's going on. Ngiyangithola in the sense of ukuthi wena uzafika laphana endaweni emjayiveni or use-club or whatever, ngithola uzitshela ukuthi mina vele ngizozikholisela endaweni lapha, kati usisi wena ukwazi ukuthi usisi lwana uyathengisa, yabona. So it's happening, guys, ukuthi there's quite a number of girls abathengisayo umzimba wabo, kumbe kuthengiswana emzimbeni khona phana kule nto abayithengisayo ebusuku.
Hayi qe. Hayi qe.
Yangithola. But then mina, I'm not judging them.
Yeah, cause hey bro.
Thengisanini anti into lengena.
Job sibali.
Ijob.
Hustle sibali. So thini.
But I mean, I feel like it's a wrong kind of job to persuade, given the sense that ukuthi when you came here, you had a different objective, and this environment that we are currently in, it could be life-changing if you look at it in a positive way, and
it can also be life-changing in a negative way.
Yeah.
Too.
To everything goes two ways, because there's the opposite and equal reaction to everything. So, man, I think it's wrong. Siyabona lapha kubo living room.
Wait. Do you know what do you know what not every person who does lento leyo or in that department or line of work, it's not all of them who actually did that willingly. Because you know, sometimes
okunye kuya ngabantu ahamba lawo. Thathothi vele wena into leyo wasuka wathatheka wena. Phakathi eskimini.
We will never know. So anyone who's watching this who does and low umsebenzi or is in that department,
asifakele umbono wakhe.
Comment section, or if you don't mind, shoot now and then you tell us ukuthi
kanti vele. But talking about to shoot, and there's this girl I've once told the group ukuthi she wants to come what, but she just kept quiet. Yeah,
she disappeared, and that account was nowhere to be found.
She said she's a Zim girl, uyathengisa yena eDublin khonapho, so ufuna yena wayefuna ukuzomarket or wayefuna ukuzosichaza yena ukuthi hayi guys, yabona ngingangibheki ngendlela leyo,
or maybe nathi maybe approach it to sometimes kusuke ngathi maybe we're being judgmental or something, I don't know.
No, not like ukuthi si judgmental ne vele emhlabeni, not ukuthi like ngumqondo wethu ukuthi sijudge abantu, yangithola, because then uyathola ukuthi lento le vele wena yokuthi mina ngenza i-podcast vele, yangithola, it's something you persuaded what okay vele mina izinto zokuhlala phansi khuluma izindaba ngikhuluma istory like, yangithola, into engiyifunayo, yangithola. Vele bakhona even abanye abantu benyuzi abani, even normal people, there'll always be those people that like what you do, and there's people that don't like what you do. You know, there's a saying in English that says, somewhere somehow you are a bad example to someone's book,
or someone's story.
So lami ngingafaka umbono wami, it's what I'm seeing physically being portrayed, yangithola, whereas I can't see what's the inside, yangithola. So mina ngabona lami ngithi sisilwana la, yabo. It might not be true, but ngumbono wami, into engibonile ngayi-observe, yabo.
But the thing is, umbono wakho uzosuka sunjani, maybe mase utshela omunye umuntu and it happens ukuthi lowo muntu lona had their own perspective of that person, and then wena umqondo wakho so ungene kulo muntu lo manje thola ukuthi naye selomqondo wakho uthi mara vele into ozikhuluma yivar, yabo, chawo chirilo this and that, and then that's where the danger is, ukuthi manje umbono wakho becomes hate at a certain extent. I don't know.
It's not hate like as such, ne? It's not hate as such, ne? But other things, I think they need public awareness though. Like told, cause mina ngije so as a young adult today, I might try and approach another young adult and say, Joe, beg, into yenza better ne. Ithi isitayela sakho lesi uzabe ngendlela kanje so yakuthola then that person might think ukuthi mina sekufuna ukubazela gcono stuff yakuthola but in the sense of ukuthi nawe uyabona ukuthi lento le i-negative elifini yomuntu lo yakuthola because then bawucala ukwazi umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi mina ufuna ukuba yini yakuthola then sowubona ngokuya kwesikhathi ukuthi into umuntu lo bekazikhuluma lento sekazenza manje asifani because then apparently I state again apparently from ilive kade ngiyizolo ne it's a group of amatswana apparently that are also involved in into yona le zokuthengisa
izrekis
yabona so obvious untanga wami mina ngingamlanda kathesi ngeke kanjani asibhaye ukuthi lawe na PK wena lawe so yangithola but whereas of if you put it publicly cry out to the public yangithola obvious bakhona maybe abantu abadala ababhekayo guidance yangithola one or two might know ukuthi okay untwana ukhuluma ngento enje so uyabona into eyenzakala inje so anjani asenzeni maybe am approach maybe one khona ngathi uyamaza ngitshela ukuthi but njani into le abantu sebeyibona kade because apparently abasafihli sebeyenza
live
emehlweni wabantu yabo tababe bemile vele kule sport sabo khona mina ngizayo ngubone because indawo zakhona ngizihambe yabo but mfuna ke ngiyobabona ukuthi bayenzana vele
ufuna uhamba njengomuntu yobabona or ufuna ukuba i-customer vela better i-self service
ufuna ukuyobona nje ngababehlu ukuthi hayi vele into le ikhona vele yakuthola
but me I've come across a conclusion ukuthi
apparently there's boys too.
That's why I should bra. There's a lot happening in the world, dog. There's a lot happening in the world.
Yeah, right. So the
next it's not control over it. It will be what it is.
Yeah, but
they continue selling, continue living. They make their thing. Sala.
Kodwa awuyisabeli into yakho kodwa ukuthi ngavuthuka.
Wenezavuthuka vele. But
usitshela ukuthi black don't crack.
Phela abanye abantu have got that opinion iyafana nje ukuthi sizofa. So it's whatever. So you never know.
Kunzima. Okay, so the next question is by a subscriber name. She asked me and I was baffled a bit because I'm not engaged in those kind of things. Maybe you might know a thing or two. So she said to me, how do you guys convince a girl that you just met at Grove, and end up living with her? Like, you get it, like, maybe told like this shakes and less thing that is coming up.
Yeah.
Hlangane naye khona phana ugcina usumvalile i-team yewina yabo uthi nikwenza njani.
Wait, yeah, ukuthi I've come to realize ukuthi abocheri ne have got a mindset esinayo thina ezamajita. Do you know that? To an extent ukuthi angikuconvinceanga. I just spoke to you, you spoke to me back. We reached a mutual agreement. What is your fire song? Now we are funa, isn't it?
So ucheri naye uyabefuna uyabusumvalile kompa usumchacha yini.
Do you know what you can literally make people do what you want them to do without forcing them or anything, but by just simply telling them ukuthi no umnikeze ichoice umuntu wakhona, but be serious about into oyikhulumayo.
kusuka kwema-choice nakhona khona.
Because BK, you can't tell me ukuthi mina I convinced you ukuthi I know asambe wayala wena uthi what manje asambe sagcina sihambe sonke, which means lawo uvumile.
Alright ne. Indaba alright. Asisho ke sesibheka cause ku-live yakhona kuke kwakhulunywa ngendaba kaChopper na le. Esake sakhuluma ngayo kaChopper le.
Hayi
ngiyasho alright. Ngiyasho ngenza umzekelo. Ne. Thwa khona khonoko kwabangani khonoko ukuthi anithwa khona ngale kwagcina sokuhanjiwe be-squad nje. Yiko ngisho khonoko ukuthi like okwabanganini khonoko
influence
uyagcina usufika endaweni njani ongamela ngifike zona maybe timing ukuthi nje abantu ohamba labo yabo.
But you still have a choice to say no, yeah?
Sometimes yiko ungena khona like ama-factors anjengabo peer pressure lanani yabona ukuthi i-girls esizathini kathi kusazi ukuthi alawe sivuzisa sivuzisa squad.
Even if udlisa isquad, ngcono usidlisa isquad as well, because ungaya ngokuthi abantu bacabangani. We don't know.
Kunzima.
Ungaya ngokuthi abantu bathini. Akunanto ezohamba, because as I said, at the end of it all, awuyenzeli thina sibali. Because mawulala uyi-one most of the time. Yenzeli thina fanele ukuthi uthi manje ngizwa amajita athi thenga imoto qeda sengibangena basaza ngami. Sasilandaba lawe nje. Vari bro.
Vele lakho izimoto futhi la island lakho. Mina umuntu le moto la island ngihawukela mangibona nje ipakile nje laphana, but anginamona nayo physically.
But I'm just saying nambe ngenza uthe yini umzekelo. Yeah. That's why I said I've heard quite a few people saying that.
That's abangena China convoy.
But those are nice things, ama-convoy. Those are good things to take part in sometimes. That's why you need to have a whip, bro.
Yona yafunakala,
but that's why ngisho ukuthi ungathi uyenzela thina. Do it for yourself, because thina ndoda
phela
anti senzo wethu.
Vele kunabantu abawenzela izinto ukuthi vele ngifuna ukubona vele. Bethi bona uBK namuhla vele
ndoda. Umuntu kumele yenze into ezichaza yena ndoda.
Yeah, amele ujabulise.
Ezichaza yena. And there's a situation that has happened, I don't know, of back home in South Africa. What do you think of our parents who are scared to go through divorces for the sake of children, on what it would do to the children, even though there's no love anymore? Because there are some people, especially abantu abadala, entweni zomshado nanani zomendo ne. Even if there is no love, umuntu ubekezelela amasimbi yabo babetha bathi kusalayo abantu wami umuzi wami lo, but there is no love in it anymore. Like yabona uthi now so ubekezelele to the extent that there is no love anymore. Now you're just doing it for the sake of the kids. So what's your take on that?
This parenting thing, like I think it's a big thing, like in the sense of ukuthi if you look at modern day, things changed, and as much as they say hey ngama 2000 what some of that knowledge of parenthood, I don't think, or if it was passed down, it never reached many of us. It maybe got to a handful of individuals, I'm told, in the basket when they are 2000 what I'm told. So I feel like sometimes abazali they do things to protect
The kids.
ingane, I'm told, because then but charity begins at home. So whatever the child is exposed to or is learning at home is what he brings outside into the community. So ongangukuthi
but dog, can I say,
ingane vele
that's a lie, dog. Because yabona mina, if you were to meet my mom and me, two different characters, and
no
of which,
vele abantu njengasingabantu asifani but then I think some certain things, some mischievous or ngithi cantankerous behaviors it emanates from as early as little childhood. Yangithola ukuthi umntwana uba exposed to what, yangithola amehlo omntwana abone, because then uzoza abadala bethi hayi umntwana akalamanga, yangithola, because uzothola umntwana sefike ngale watshela utisha ukuthi hawu namsuni wakho, yabona utisha sengazonda phela zondile but uyabe ubona ukuthi inhlamba le umntwana le phela obufutheki lani wakuzwa ngini kuqala, maybe thola maybe vindu kwakuthetha isinja khonapha le but wamuzwa ngini maybe wokuqala ungakamuzwa phandle or ezinye
but
izinto.
that is out of context to what I asked.
Yiko phela ngitsho ukuthi nje it's for that child, for each childhood yangithola, because then maybe omunye umzali engabona ukuthi ngingahlukana le ndoda le, maybe sokungaba nama chance ukuthi maybe sengingaba yehluleka ukuba stable in life, yangithola kula ama factors maningi nje, like ngeke straight ngithi so but then okunye luthando nje, because then kule that thing ukuthi to death do us apart, yangithola omunye umuntu uyabe ngafuni nje ukuthi awe system sakhe phansi nje, yabona
Ukuthi uhlule umendo.
Besides angazi nje omunye umuntu kuyabe maybe sokuthi abantu kuzathwani, umndeni wami uzathini, kuyathwana, yangithola but then I feel like people should should express their feelings openly
without being judged or umuntu acanga ukuthi
but then okunye futhi I think it goes about as a factor that gives birth to a bit of confusion, yangithola
in
the sense of ukuthi maybe uzothola ukuthi ingane vele ikhule ngamazi babayo, yangithola then ngokuya maybe bathola ukuthi ngendlela discover ngakhona it's not good, yangithola so abantu they try to kind of avoid some of the issues, like yangithola because bengibone enye video the other day, it's like this lady she left KZN as 12, so having this guy sekalobolile and stuff, apparently maybe bahlukene but the guy acknowledges ukuthi vele sahlukana, yangithola but lo mama wabaleka nengane and ever since kubo bathi une 15 years akekho, yangithola so nengane mayiseyibona kabe songathi kumbeni umasalo wayezama ukuvalela umdala phandle or maybe makuthi ingane ikhulule nomdala, maybe umdala ngowe kade zama ukuvalela umasalo phandle, like you know, because then sometimes parents they won't tell you ukuthi
what actually transpired.
Yabona maybe that communication yomzali to child is not that strong ukuthi sebengakhuluma maybe personal things like but then I think it's all about protecting ingane, angazi ngombono wami, ngingazi wena.
Mina nje le I don't know much about that, but because it gets tough nje kulento le yama relationship, I think it gets tough, ne?
Yeah.
The catch is ukuthi I feel like at some point ne anyeke kuhlezi kumnandi ku relationship, yabo. It won't always be nice in a relationship because we have to go through stages ukuthi amalanga afani first thing first. Days are not the same. Sometimes we will be happy, sometimes we're going through life and shit. I think what matters is what you said, ukuthi communication. I think communication without, of course, being judged or being made as if you feel like you're mad now because you had the courage to actually say how you feel.
Yeah, man.
So other people make you feel as if you're mad sometimes for actually, you know, expressing yourself, which I know, man, this is how I feel. Then they say, maybe I know they say it out loud. So I'm crazy, man, for saying that I know. That's what I think. That's why I also give you a choice to option to say what you feel.
Yeah, man.
So that's why I feel like even through it all, through dark days, through good days, through bad days, it's all about Wambisana, because at some point you only do need only one person. I wanted to get.
Yeah, man.
Only do need one person.
Yeah.
Decide.
Like makhuluma ngabo one person so ne. So ngiyako live futhi ne. So apparently amajita bakangitshela ne. Athi ngahi eDublin vele there's a lot going on, dog. Like they were saying some of the things like ngeke bazisho live ne, but le yokuthi umuntu oyi-one is enough ne. So apparently there's a girl at Dublin lapha. I don't know, angazi ukuthi angikubelieve la.
Athi yenzeni?
Kuthiwa uGelilo wadliwa ngamajita ayi-4 ka-1.
Oh, I've heard of that one.
Lawo wakuzwa kuthiwa muhle and stuff.
Blind. But asikho lapho. Sikho lapho. Zasho next. Didn't say anything.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah,
Mina
it
ngikwazi.
happens. Mina manje ngazi no Cherry. Who? Never mind. Never mind. Kubeka indaba yakho. Kubeka indaba yakho besithi.
Yabona, so check ezinye izinto nje yazaza kwethusa so life in.
But
selling is shocked izolo like
guys, you know,
ngathi sure guys.
We should also talk about izinto ezifana nabo ama sexual transmitted infections, STIs, ama STDs, ama gonorrhea, ama hepatitis, is it hepatitis or what?
Herpes ngazithatha herpes kuphela.
Ama konje thwa yini naleya syphilis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Umkhuhlane nje.
Ndoda, so if you're gonna do a training and sibe indwendwe vele yo sibali no. When have you actually taken part in one?
No.
Mina nami I've never.
So
would you?
No, like no, mina ngiyazibuza ne like ukuthi so mina so sengimele ngeke ngiyime ngibe mbukele. Like kusibuza ezinye izinto la nje umuntu yazi usikhuphule town so vele lapha so sabe senza.
No, but mina I would but I would opt for ukuthi ngibe number 1 and kale mina and then leave the scraps for the dogs. Java time. I don't know, but it's nasty, Swali. Then let's just say she ends up getting pregnant. Who will she point out first? And speaking of that, ne? How about that? I saw a video. Sperm actually stays for ages in a woman's body, especially if maybe she's that type of woman who's active kakhulu with different men, yabo.
Yeah, man.
So what it's possible for your girlfriend rather, or your wife, depending on her history, which maybe it might be your child, but it doesn't look like you. It might actually look like one of her exes, her previous exes. Because
Mafia the jump,
you know, it's crazy, dog. Do you believe it? But it makes sense, dog. Because even science does say that sperm does stay for a really long time in a woman's body, and it actually
became a start.
No, it becomes in her DNA, dog. Your DNA sticks with her forever, dog.
Kunzima.
Kunzima, sibani.
Yeah, kunzima, shit.
And then sekunjalo, who are you gonna confront first? Which is your child.
Yeah.
Because you don't know, what if the other guy, the first guy you pulled out maybe, or it could be, bruh.
Yeah, so there's another day, he was on a live. I don't know, I don't know, I forget the guys were there. But I was also there, and JD was there. Then there was a question asked, do you would if ugeli, maybe tolo ukuthi ugeli seka nengane ezimbili o enye e1 ne ungajola naye o ungamshada umuntu osenengane ezimbili.
Mina ngingenamntwana. Mina don't have
mntwana.
Che, how is that gonna work? Because we need to face facts and the truth. And in fact 90% of the times it only works if both partners have got children, and then maybe sebehlangana ngomunye abazomenza. It becomes simple because manje it doesn't feel good. Maybe manje so phatha umthwalo because you love this person, manje sumyamkela lo mthwalo wakhe. That's why it becomes unfair for lona engabi nomntwana, because manje wena somele uyenzele abantwana benye indoda.
Yeah, man.
Sibantwana bakho, because of this love you have for this woman. And just like that, it's unfair. I feel like it's fair if both parties have got children. That's how it's gonna work. Because at some point, what if you get tired of these children now? Especially laba abadala, uma uthola umuntu uselo umntwana omdala ngeke umtshele foko, unless nawo umntwana wakho na une understanding, yabo. Uthi maybe nawe but these things are fucked up. Nami ngakhule in a situation enjalo. Doesn't work, my bra. Doesn't work, bra. Doesn't work. Because at some point, even if you're gonna have children, maybe let's say nabanye abantwana, yena ube ne2 abantwana bakhe wena ulamntwana. What if she says uthena the least she can do is give you umntwana wokugcina, the third one, and then she calls it quits and she doesn't have kids anymore? So when are you gonna have one kid for the rest of your life? Why? How we begging a little situation? Look at it in that angle. Yeah, but that's like it shouldn't be. The equation should be fair.
But I think
you gotta keep it
making
stepping. That's my opinion.
Comparing lava ma 90s, later ma 2000 I feel like in our generation it's a bit different.
In the sense of what?
In the sense of what, there's a bit of question. It's a bit questionable. Kahle vele. Alright, ubaba wengane mina, cause I would want to know like, so wena lo baba wengane vele kahle kwenzakaleni ngithola ubona la ukuthi okay so laphana kunje, so yabo why vele wena njani ungafuni vele uku-associate lo baba wengane lo uthola umoya ukuthi uyaphila ubaba wengane lo, because then wena kuzaba buhlungu phela mawukuthi susemzini wakho laphana thola ukuthi wena uhlele nje into yakho, yabona injiva sebuyile yona sokuseba a bit uncomfortable yabo.
Yeah, well, that's why it becomes unfair because manje they'll always keep bringing it up uthi ubaba umntwana
Baba umntwana. But then but in another way,
release me.
In another way, I think they also deserve love and told.
They do, but they deserve it from other people who have kids as well and are single parents. Because you're not about to ruin my life emotionally, because you deserve love. Hey, Baba, I'm not doing that. As kids, I'm not rude, but mental health comes first. Mental health comes first. Because you cannot be at an advantage like that all the time.
Yeah, wahambi event today, my family.
Which one?
Kwakulabantu abang 20 kon.
Oh, and there was that. But I know A for effort, guys. A for effort. Dog. Weswaleka so.
Live.
Asingekho baningi.
Nje kwakuthiwa event yakhona nale.
Skidongo what. And maybe ngazi ingoma eyi-1 iskidongo la only one.
Kwakudlalwa mapiano.
I don't know, bro. No, I died, but I was fucked up, bro. I was fucked up drunk, but it wasn't. I won't lie. It wasn't. It was not fun.
My gig with Dublin. Noma mbani nje sefuna ukuba promote.
I know, but A for effort, dog. A for effort. You know, it's never been wrong ukuzama.
Yeah.
It's never been wrong ukuzama.
Kodwa mina ngizame ngezimali zabantwana. Wayengayenzi free event iqala try labona ukuthi okay. Invest in
This is currently imali yaso. But it wasn't expensive. It was only €10.
hayi angiyasho nje angiyali ukuthi bengaduri stuff yabona. Ngiyasho nje ukuthi nawe ungaphunga ustrategize nje phunga ukuthi ithi ngiqale mbona ukuthi vele kahle
Awufani.
abantu bazabuya yini if ukuthi sengifuna ukwenza into engathi ithe phakeme yabo. Because ngeke uphuma ukusidumela wena usuvelile wena. Sele event. Uphuma ukuvuma. Ngayibona event leyana nje ngaphuma ukuthi bengikhuluma no what you call this guy? Sasho. The one from West Side. So it's like, my bro, I'm going to that event. And I'm like, ish. Because I don't work that far from Evela. So it's like maybe 500 to 600 meters away. So yeah, sugar take face of me such I did fivard. Just on at the same pendu game span.
Yeah.
Nje abantu bakhuluma the next day bathi we see 20 ndoda.
Mina ngibona kwami 20 beyibhaya rasifana. If maybe mina
ngasaba lo DJ.
Ngasaba lo DJ. DJ phela sibabale njenge crowd.
Iko phela ngisho ngcono like waiting ngenzo kwamahara like uqala ubone because then phela lapha la profit to the loss. Ngokuthi so skip abo DJ because abo DJ ababhadala. Bathola ukuthi laba bangabhadalanga futhi abo DJ baze nama plus 1. Abangena ababhadalanga. Maybe sokubhadala abantu abangaki khona. Maybe abangu 5 6 €50 wenza event wathola €50 yabona ukuthi kuchile vele.
Awuzihlalele le mali yakho yakwazi. Because you how much do you think it is ukubook ivela? I don't know.
Obviously kunye maybe kuya ngama hours ukuthi indawo le maybe sithina sithi 500 depending la ngespace and time of the day nyacho nje ukuthi maybe bathi 500 maybe for 2 hours phela kuya ngaka ukuthi maybe wena usubook how many hours because bona maybe bale aba charge per 2 hours because it's most an event could be above an hour. Ngithola okunye lokusokungama-meeting lalani and stuff. Yabona.
And speaking of events, Zashio. Well, I think there's an event happening next week. Zashio. I wonder is Zashio, ne? Whoever Zashio is, or whatever, that person is doing the most. I wonder that person, ne? Or the team of his Zashio, those people
man.
are moving, dog. Imagine if Zashio was to ever say good when they're recruiting an artist. Imagine who's our because those people are banokugcwalisa indawo kungena artist. Just as chama suit wonke umuntu wayemuhle ndoda.
So le yamasudu le not ukuthi ngiyayetha ne, but kulo muntu wambuzayo wathi, don't you think the event was saved by ukuthi abantu nje bekuthiwa informally? Because then mawusuyakubheka abantu abali vele mabesigqoka izigqoko ezijenileyo lani, but masogqoka amateki lani abantu yikho abachana khona, because bathi umuntu wakhona said, I don't know, apparently there was a fight
The last event.
or ngenjani.
It wasn't the first, but yeah, there was a fight.
Angazi, but I think it's a nice thing because then that
Strategy.
angazi,
To me,
it
that's
is
strategy,
angazi.
but it was fun.
That
dog.
introduction of something new and so
Yeah, that's how these people are
because
thinking
then
outside the box.
umuntu
man.
ngeke ayojiva nzima egqoke
Egqoke
isudu
isudu.
lapha. Maybe kusongaba loyo-one nje, yabo.
Yes, I see that sinjalo style.
But ngiyasho nje ukuthi ngeke umuntu ayojiva nzima seyeqayeqa nje. Umuntu egqoka amakwayikwayi sefuna ukubelokhu echaba uvusha, yabona. Hayi, kabe kungama easy yabo.
But no, it was really fun, can't lie. Asanga ngisho no. And enye into is their venues are not always venues are abachaza, bra, you know. It's different, it's unique. Something not evil, or you know. It's as much as India was not that big, but it was something different. I mean, that's what I like. Not because of you know, which you're bound to see the very same people. The same staff, same security, same everything.
Yeah,
So you know, which you don't even expect anything different no more.
But I think if they don't bring change this summer, I think I'll probably start going, like maybe probably just go to UK.
Simple.
You know, jive la
Simple.
lapho nje i-groove vele kube hle, not like ukuthi i-groovist like, but nje kube into lana ukuthi avele ngiyaphuma ukuzikhambela ngale ngiyojivela ngiphendule mangilapha nje ngiyabe ngisemzini, yabo.
No, because I think that's the best way right now. Because that side is fun. Can't lie.
Angazi
Very fun.
change ukuthi bazasinika into ezichazayo, because then evela laphana kusabe seminyene lapha. Lo babe nokukhwapha la kuzadlula khona phana liyawukhitsha, yabo. Labanye mase beginqa the way uyabe ususiza ukuthi situations have escalated, yabo.
Body temperatures have escalated as well. But hey,
but
it is what it is. What can we say? The
Sisa
only thing we can do,
supporter
only thing we can
masikwanisa,
do is this is a Paul umbono wethu.
emakusapoteka
shall
siyasapota,
support.
makungasapoteki
So yeah.
phela kusosona ukwehluleka ukufika endaweni, yabona.
So,
But uqeda ufaka umbono wakho, yabo, because vele ngizawufaka vele.
kahle nje.
Ambuyanga but yazo into kwento kwangubonile lokho.
Ngithi hayi usuzi. Bathi thina nathi khona umcimbi esiplana ukuwuhlela.
Nabo JD.
Abo JD nezinye intwana zase UK la.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to, they will be interested in partaking, but it will happen at some point. at least it's change the lineup, you know. I don't know what you guys think about it. Just
Listen,
say how you feel in the
abanye
comment
abo
sections.
DJ
Yeah.
abatsha ukuthi
Try
awufaka.
something new, and then yeah, change the lineup, and then see the style as abanye abantwana with how they kick it that side. Maybe we might learn a thing or two.
Abo Justro Akrata.
Justro Akrata, and we'll be turning it down. Go in Donors Lounge, not in Donors Lounge, man. Waterford ish. Waterford, Nduna is hosting Independence. I think it's gonna happen.
I need to like the last time bengisho ukuthi sikhuluma nabo pro nabo Mduso wethu. Apparently like there's like now 3 of these events.
Independence. Hey dog, nami ngabone yinye bathi kune after party at Chillers. Ngathi yo. Vele? I don't know.
Nami ngezwe nje sensizwa ngamajita sekangibeka because Mduso wethu was saying this lady has like booked him ukuthi he comes and performs at the show, then from then uzahamba kwekanduna. Yeah, I understand your artists are trying to make money, but then promoters laba or whoever these people that make events, how are they going about things? Because then if kuzaba nama-event ayi-3, why bangathatha amakhanda abayi-3 bahlanganisa wazama ukuba lo mbono ukuthi okay asenze so, but then Dusoweto was like okunye i-greedy yangithola because omunye umuntu uyabefuna ukuthi kube le mali nabhekelane laye nayedwa and stuff what but then
I feel like whoever is hosting Independence evela maybe bekacabangela ukuthi maybe abantu abangafuni ukuye Waterford
abaseDublin
maybe abantu abaseDublin abangafuni ukuye Waterford, I don't know, but mina I strongly recommend ukuthi abantu sihambe ne-Waterford kule nyama ngale ndoda. And imagine ndoda ispace esiphandle uyabuya ne-kimchi cooler box kudliwa inyama ama-vibes ijekadwana la. Give me that sounds like vibes and much better than being a Chillers. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah,
don't wanna lie. Ngapha yabehlangene abantu abatsho Waterford lisekase different. I think they said they'll be an after party somehow.
To
accommodate abantu and stuff.
Like that,
yeah, there'll be an after party,
something like that.
I think there's a venue. I don't know, but we're gonna confirm. But I think. Because it's only proper that way. Because imagine since we possess a Waterford. Man, it's Chinese mountains with Dublin foot. It's not safe. Maybe I'm a passer you know, so it's not safe.
Yeah.
Want to propose a betawe, befuke sending about 7 sope up 8 up with chai pan.
Yeah,
don't know.
So if private parts were kept by parents, how would you ask for yours?
Ezacela umboleka ipipi. Izothini. How would you ask for yours?
Esacela into leyana into yami leya.
Esacela into yami la limbambile. Aje imagine ethi why.
Simele wina wena simele uqala uyocela ngayo. Ndoda ufuna ukuyocela. Hamba. Ithi megcini ngasawinanga.
Ayithi babeli hlali winile.
Kumele wine.
I.
So angazi wena ucabangane ne. So untwana yena uthe took it because I was on a live with Took It and Eugene, there was Cheese Boy, there was this other girl ongenile wafika wathi tha lapha island kulomjita kumbe tha ngoDom Periyong tha kadelele lokubhuti. But then
akadelele ungena le nje esontweni. Hayi
Then bathe amajita afuna ukubuya ngingazi like ungabe kunabantu ababukelayo ukuthi basafuna ukumbona futhi u2Kid or ngingazi
bafuna ukumbona njani
like because the ufuna ukubuya uthe kulento afuna ukuziphawula yena
wena u2Kid khona into afuna ukuziphawula as in like is enye episode lo 2Kid akabuye
hayi zakhuluma
akabuye
hayi
uthi ufuna ukuphawulana
lokho besithi kuningi because we talked about even artist deals like they were telling me about 360 120 whatever deals like umuntu engasayini deal nje so as artist because then like bebanjela like taking some souls they were telling me a lot of things damn sesiku podcast namele libuye into lesihlale phansi sikhulume yabo but then yeah so before we wrap it up mngani wami what's your word of the day
before we speak of the word of the day asivale ngokuthi okay ma check surrounding yakho right now are you satisfied with it to the point yokuthi just people not the surrounding or the environment but people in your circle are you proud of people you call your friends or
yeah I mean I'm proud in the sense of ukuthi in the last 2.5 to 3 years I've learned a lot of things that the friends that I used to have back home as him or in SA never like I didn't get that information while at least I was with them so now it has built me like I feel like ngathi status kwami lami ngisitshela ukuthi lami ngiyangithola though I might not be a nobody nje phandle bantwana ne but I feel like yeah amajita nami angikhuphulile endaweni I've integrated into society nawabona amajita ambonise stars ukuthi yabona la eDublin 12 ngithola ngifundile amajita ake angisiza because I don't know it's 2022 yeah ngaxoshwa esibani ngithola so amajita nje angibeka athi mfethu ini ungapanic and stuff ngithola naye that boys talk ngithola bangigaya nje ama numbers ama connection ntwana phela so so ngabona nje ukuthi okay akufana amajita anginawo anebhekela ngithola akufane ukuba nomunye umuntu ozoba lokho akuhlala kubuza ukuthi uthole this span but angakuzami ngithola at least ngangcono maybe uthanga ngakunika ama number angi2 yangithola ngibuza ukuthi abantu labana bakuphendulile yini yangithola makuthi ansatholanga ngokunye sokwehlule but njani babezamile la umuntu ukuthi isizama ukubhekela imafia lapana ukuthi imafia lalo lengabhonga utshona lihlezi la because then lento le kuphonga utshona uhlezi kasi nje wendaweni it draws you to a negative energy field like uyenza ezinye izinto ezibhedayo nje uthola ukuthi that staying back at home or it's building up a lot of pressure ngithola ugcina usenza ezinye izinto I feel like abantu over around bona lezi zinto nami nikhuluma ngazo yeah I think it builds you or it destroys your vision in life because kuya ngawe like usisho ukuthi kuya ngedecision yomuntu like yabo but
so what's your word of the day? What's the word?
Uzile ndoda qala. Why ufuna
ukuphawula? Okay, my word is I said we must keep a lookout for these people we call friends. Java said ukuthi siphila neinyoka. Inyoka esizibiza abafowethu. Look out for your friends, Chegi. Gets real out here. I've come to realize that we actually know a lot of people, but a few are your friends. Very few.
Yeah, man. Ngike ngangutsho the other time laphana ukuthi like yabona umuntu yabo mazi but akusomngane wakho.
Asomngane wakho umuntu.
Yabo. Cause yeah, sungambona umuntu ngilaye but umuntu mina ngendlela engimazi ngayo ngengubonayo nami ngamehlo amabili umuntu akusomngane wakho because then ezinye izinto amajita azenza shake
Zinto weird Sibali ubone la uthi but mina Sibali ne angeke ngikuchune njalo.
Yeah, ne, but before mina ngisho word of the day yami ne. Wena do you think ukuthi umjida yabe kwanile ukuthi yabe kwanile thola umjida sekafonela like angali like yabo ndoda abantu siyajola phandle lapha ne. Siyajola phandle la. Wena sitholakala sifonela icherry umuntu ngama private number kodwa guys wayilingayili sure. And khonapho umuntu uyajola unenye intombi usabhizi ngama ex kodwa sure guys haya ama gents haya lingadlisa i-team haya khona akufunakali next time ngiyagcina sengikhuluma amabizo yabo abangani abanjalo sesizali ikhuluma ku society safuna abangani aba wrong 2025 ukuthi sisacabanga lo mngane wami ukuthi sibuyele vele sibe siniqamba ngamagama siphomu kube sikhuluma
asebedelela manje sesizali kuphoyinta awamavari manje selidelela manje selisidelela sesinanzelela ethi liyasidelela abasafihli
apati majenzani heavy it's heavy like a leather, never light like a feather, but
my word of the day is that's the word.
My word is life is a journey. You know, it's a long journey. Some people cry, some people laugh, but at the end of the day, give God your praises.
Grateful.
Be grateful, uthandaze ngithola. Uyalunga, if kungalungi lawe njengomuntu kumele ubonwe ukuthi uzama kanjani, uzama ngandlela zonke, ungagive up nje yabona. Guys,
no one said it would be easy.
Billy, the biggest Bali in the building, and CJ Umaqamuka, Danko.
Dabo.